Kawai ke dukan bam ke batamai ke badan harut surok RR Colony Rynjah hajan ke jingking umpling lapli pat ba ya ke dukan bam ke bajar kerteng the Mountain Whisper ke ba long try the Faiz Khan lapli pat ba ha ke sengi ha ke jingdon lang ke kemi ke ba ieng hasem nalor ke weipat. Faiz Khan habe keren siklat patai kubor ulai thu bakala penlong yu uban bu na ke restoran ke long mat penurlong ya ke basnu tenat baru berai mynsiem ya ke weipat kisamla bikin la ban yang hala ki jong ki kjat.
Living in Shillong now and staying in Rynjah. This is my mother, Khan. I'm a music producer. I've written a few albums, and my mom is doing some work.
So hi everyone, I'm Shonali Khan. I work for an international non-profit and we work on education with children. But here more I am as Faiz's mom, helping him actually start off his restaurant, the Mountain Whisper in Rynjah. We're super proud of him. He's a musician and this is his first entrepreneurial venture. So we are here to support him. Over to you, Faiz.
Yeah, so basically we came here. Actually, my mom is from here. She's born here. She's raised here. So most of her entire family
Yeah,
actually
actually,
going
my
back
grandfather, his great grandfather came here nearly
1920,
100 years ago. He was a
over a
lawyer.
hundred years ago
Yeah.
now, and he settled in jail. He was fought for civil rights and law for the Khazi community. And my grandfather was in the Air Force. And yeah, my mom, all her siblings, they were all raised here. So there is these strong roots. And I myself never had to experience the time with my grandfather because he passed away before I could meet him. But his dream was always to come back because he was traveling so much. He moved around a lot, so he had to eventually sell off their land here and move. But he, I think, had that regret in him. But after some time, I think that feeling of coming home came back to my mom. And then she also wanted to come back, but then she was so busy with work in Delhi. And so after COVID, I myself was lost. I didn't know where to, I didn't know what to do next. The music scene was not as vibrant as it was before COVID. So I decided, where do I go? So my mother gave me this amazing advice that why don't you go and see your roots? Why don't you go and see your hometown? So I came here and immediately I felt the sense of this is the place for me. The people, the culture, the history, my family history, it all kind of came back, and I felt like my grandfather was kind of welcoming me back home, and and I've always had a passion for food and music, and I wanted to create something here, to have that to show our history, our family history, such a strong history we have here. So, I just spoke to some people, some family members from this amazing place, and it just clicked for me. So, this is why we started this. Dark